fourth graders, you just finished looking at the video. In the video, you were looking at customary units of liquid volume, and you looked at a bar graph for those units. So I want to show you another way to think about our customary units of volume. We're talking about liquids, things that can be poured. Okay? And the largest one we're looking at is like a gallon of milk. Okay? So if we start with a large G, like a gallon of milk, we have 1 gallon. Then, inside that G, how many quarts makes a gallon? Well, there are 4 quarts in a gallon. So I'm going to put 4 Q's inside my G. 2, 3, 4. Our next smallest unit after quarts is pints. Each quart is made up of 2 pints. So I'm going to put 2 P's inside of each quart. P's are going to represent pints. So if we count them, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pints in a gallon. There are 2 inside of each quart. Lastly, our last smallest unit is cups. Each pint gets 2 cups, so we get 2 C's. If we count those C's for our cups, we now have 16 cups. Sorry, fourth graders, I had to let my dog, Rusty, out. Okay. So if we look at this picture, it gives us a good idea of what's inside a gallon. We have 4 quarts, 8 pints, 16 cups. So if then we move to our next page in our workbook, we can then look at our examples at the top. And it says to compare a quart is blank times as much as a pint. So if we're looking at our bar graph or inside our picture of our G, a pint, there are 2 of them inside this quart. So I have 1 pint and a second pint. So 1 quart is 2 times as much as 1 pint. From there, we can continue exactly like we have been in the last 3 lessons. We're going to use our magic table here, really important table, to do our conversions. So we have pints to cup. We find pint to cup. We use the number that's not the number 1. So we're looking at 2. 2 times 2, because pints are bigger than cups, so big to small. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 gallons, so we start with 3. We're going gallons to quarts, so we find gallons, match it to quarts. 4. Big to small, 3 times 4 is 12. Number 4, we have 6 quarts, quarts to cups. We look at our chart, quarts to cups makes 4 cups. Or if you look inside our picture, 1 quart has 1, 2, 3, 4 cups inside one of those Q's. So times 4 makes 24 cups. All right, fourth graders, from there, I want you to try 5 and 6, and then 7, 8, and 9. Come back when you watch the next video to see how you did on 5 through 9. Bye.